Hello, everybody. How are you today? This is such a meaningful event, and my name is Louise. I'm the founder of Claire Organics, as well as a certified aromatherapist myself. And I would love to take this golden opportunity to wish everyone out there happy International Women's Day. This event is so meaningful, and I think it's truly a great reminder for ladies and all the ladies out there is it's time to take a breather. No matter how busy you are, always find time for yourself. That me time itself so important. It's for us to take a break, and when we get so overwhelmed with all the work, and as we get along, we juggle multiple roles at the same time. We get burnout and we get so busy and we hardly have time for ourselves. So this is great, great, great reminder. It's so important. I have to say it 3 times. Great, great, great reminder, right? To tell ourselves, hey, give yourself a pat on the shoulder and tell you and say to yourself, you are doing so well. You know, you deserve a break. Even though barely 5 to 10 minutes a day, love yourself. Okay? And today, I would love to share a self-love plan, my favorite self-love plan. All you have to do is what I do is when I sleep, sometimes I get myself a little massage before I sleep. Okay? And this is my favorite plan to set for self-massage, and it's really nice for self-loving. What I have here, ylang ylang. Okay, ylang ylang, right? And this is great for balancing. And this is the blend I'm introducing today, especially is to balance our hormone and to when we get um especially when we have as we age, we want to age gracefully, right? Yeah. So that's so important to take care of our womb, our systems that takes care of cells and reproduction system as well, right? So the second one is lavender. Lavender is, of course, this is mandatory for relaxing, right? Next one is rose geranium. Okay, rose geranium is also good for balancing our hormone, right? When these three goes together, oh, how you have to do is, if you remember or if you have watched my previous show, okay, this is number second show, by the way. All right. So if you remember how we make the roll on the previous show, okay, all you have to do is to fill up. If you have any carrier oil on hand, my favorite, usually I will use jojoba, avocado, or rose hip. But if you have questions on, hey, Louise, what kind of carrier oil do I use? What's suitable for my skin? If jojoba is for all skin type, even babies or anyone, okay, all skin type. Okay, if you have dry skin, I'll recommend rose hip or avocado. Okay, this is jojoba is all skin type, men, women, babies, kids. Okay, all right, and it's good for top to toe, hair and skin as well. Okay, it's also for hair treatment. Okay, so what you do is you just fill up. Carrot oil goes in to, oops, okay. Fill up this bottle, your roll-on bottle, about 8 to about 10, 80%, 80% of this, okay. And what you do is ylang ylang 3 drops, okay. Lavender 5 drops, rose geranium 5 drops, okay. And there you go. If you love a little bit of citrus adds to also balancing and also relaxing. Okay, citrus here I have. If you have lemon, sweet orange, bergamot, grapefruit as well. like what I have on hand, grapefruit, okay? Any citrus oil, 3 to 5 drops, okay? Is to give it a tint of freshness, okay? So all four add together, or not, three or two, or depends on what are the oils on your hand, right? Okay, or add on to this little bottle. Of course, you have pre-filled up with this carrier oil already, right? Okay, mix it up. Okay, give yourself some roll on. This is a roll on bottle, right? With the little rolling ball there. Okay, just give yourself some roll on, just massage on here. Okay, sometimes if you work in front of the computer more than 2 hours, you find yourself having stiff neck, stiff shoulder, and you get so tense up, right? Muscle stiffness. Okay, and so give yourself a 5 minutes break away from the computer in the office as well. A lot of my customers put it in the office, just a 5 minutes break, okay, in between every 1 or 2 hours from the computer. Give yourself a massage on the neck, okay, on the shoulder. After you apply, okay, you can use the bottom of the bottle, okay. Simply press on where you just applied the oil, okay. It's like similar to our Chinese traditional massage. We call it guasa. Okay, in Chinese we call it guasa. So in here we are mm, very similar to guasa. It's a Chinese traditional technique. It's mainly for blood circulation. Okay, so once you apply, if you think you need more oil, you can add on, and then you use the bottom again, and just gently press on it. If your muscle is so stiff, you need more pressure, you can add on more pressure along when you press on yourself. So this is a little self-love that you can do it for yourself. Okay, I'll do it before you sleep, or in between short break, 5 minutes break in the office. Okay, or nowadays if you work, no, regardless where you work, at work, in the office, or at home, working from home as well, because we tend to spend a lot of time in the computer. We doesn't we do not we get we take it for granted, sort of things. We don't remember even stand up to take a drink, or how long have you been, how many cups of water are you consuming a day, right? We are so tense and overwhelmed with the work in front of the computer. Just give yourself a 5 minutes break, a self massage. So soothing and so relaxing. And lavender gives your muscle relax and your mind relax. Okay, so there you go. Yeah, so there you have made yourself a self love massage oil, and you can massage yourself before you sleep. That's how I do. For 5 minutes a day, love yourself. There you go. Happy International Women's Day. Don't forget to take a breather and take a break. Bye bye.